What is up, everybody? It is a beautiful, wonderful day in Southern California, but what I have for you today is something pretty interesting, right? I've actually never done this for a car in my life. My brother used to have a car a long time ago that had this done to it. I thought it was pretty cool a long time ago. I think it works for some cars. I think it's really great for this particular car, but what I'm gonna do is I am actually going to give it more of an exotic type feel, right? I feel like the car is already pretty exotic with the motor, the Z06, the look, everything about it is definitely a lot more exotic than any other Corvette that has ever come before. But now we're gonna do something with it that will make it even more exotic. And some people are gonna love it, some people might not, but hey, everybody has their own flavor and their own taste. What I'm going to do is I am going to have vertical doors, their kit installed on my C8 Z06. There was no other C8 Z06 available around that could get this done, or at least get the measurements done properly and get the kit designed properly and all that stuff. And all of a sudden mine showed up and boom, we have a donor car. So they're going to figure out a way to get a kit designed for my car so that it fits properly. All the lines are good. There's no like weird gaps or anything like that. They're gonna get it all designed. Once they get it all designed, they're going to CNC machine all that stuff, get it developed and then put it on the car. Maybe they have to try a couple little times to make sure it's all perfect and right, but they're gonna get it all done right here. They're gonna have the car for some days, knock that out. You were gonna see the process, what they did, and the install and what it basically comes out to be. So I'm pretty excited dropping the car off, and hopefully we can get this thing done all right. It's gonna look really great and give it that more exotic feel, right? You know, some people call it Lambo doors. At the end of the day, it's vertical doors. wonderful folks at Vertical Doors have got this kit all good, all right. The car came out great. It's right behind me. I'm gonna open these things up for the first time and show you exactly what it looks like. But man, this is super cool to finally have Vertical Doors on this car. It gives it more of an exotic feel and look. And man, I am pretty pumped to, to start using this thing everywhere I go. Man, this car is cool. I just love the Z06. All right, let's swing over here. Let's do this right. You know, open it up about halfway like normal, right? And it'll come to a stop. Once it comes to a stop, which is about right here, you'll feel it. You know, this just it won't go out anymore, right? Obviously, you don't want to be yanking this thing out like crazy, because if you yank super hard and try to break it, well, that's what happens when you start trying to break things. Things don't work right. But pull it out here, you'll stop at this certain point. Once you stop there, then you start lifting it up. And let's see, this is a pretty heavy door, but it still comes up pretty good. I didn't even have it all the way out. That's why. So that's another thing too, is like if you don't have it all the way out, let's say you still have it in, it will get to a point like right here where it just stops. It won't even keep on going up. So you got to make sure it's all the way out to where it's supposed to be. And it goes all the way up, and it should do it really on its own. I just don't want to let it fly up. But boom, there you go. Vertical door. Boom, done. There you go. Go to the other side, same thing on the passenger side. Actually, you can see right in here all the great craftsmanship and stuff. Everything they had to do to basically change out hinges, do what they had to do to make sure that everything fit. Also do what they had to do to make sure nothing was hitting, right? You don't want this thing coming up and hitting at all. So that's all good. And when it comes down, it's all good too. Obviously, it wouldn't have been closed if it didn't come down well. All right, go over to the passenger side, same deal. So come through, open it up, pull it out to this point, wherever it's at, right? This is right here, and then boom, you start bringing it up. It goes all the way up. Let it stop at a certain point, wherever it wants to stop, and then it stopped right there, and it's good, it's golden. There you go. Vertical Doors, this thing looks absolutely amazing. Check this out. First Z06, C8 Z06 in the world with Vertical Doors. And guess who will be installing these things too as well and selling these kits? Iwuji Performance. So if you're interested in getting one of these kits for your C8 Z06, or even just your C8, or any of the cars that Vertical Doors makes kits for, just reach out to me, and through Iwuji Performance, we can order the kit for you. You can have an installer put them on. They're bolt-on kits, no extra fabrication or craziness going on. Also, as well, if you, let's say you need it for another style vehicle, like not even the GM, but let's say Mopar, Ford, or whatever, you name it, you can go through me, we can get it done. But overall, man, I'm pretty pumped. I love how this came out. Looks really, really good. Exactly what I wanted, exactly what I pictured. Now it gives it that exotic look. It looked great. You could probably drive around real slow like this. Nah, actually I might do that for fun. But anyways, it looks cool. It doesn't look like tacky, it doesn't look weird, doesn't look awkward. It looks exactly like I think this car should have came. I think these C8s and the C8 Z06s should have came from the factory like this. Who knows, it's probably gonna become a factory option after this. GM might see the video and be like, hey, that's a good idea. Reach out to me, GM. Anyways, yeah, man, this thing came out good. Let me know what you think in the comments. I like it. Really clean look, super clean. It makes sense. It looks like it belongs, and that's what I do. When I do things with the car, typically I do things that look like it belongs, and this definitely does. Also, obviously, I got the Forged Light wheels on here. Anybody interested in Forged Light wheels, hit me up too as well. I'll get a set of them ordered for you, depending on what kind you want. We can make it happen. Obviously, having a super flush look with the wheels, having the Vertical Doors on it too as well. The car has been lowered on the stock springs. Doing it all is just like this OEM plus style that I like. Looks good, feels good, and looks like it absolutely belongs. This has been incredible. Thank you so much, Vertical Doors, for utilizing my car to create the kit. And now the kit is available, and if anyone wants to order, reach out to me and I can make it happen for you. But man, this thing looks absolutely incredible from all angles. All angles.